Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making delicious shrimp and lobster sauce. So let's get started. Alright, to get started making our delicious shrimp and lobster sauce, we have about 18 nice large shrimp here. It's about a pound. And over here we have some green onions. It's 3 stalks. And over here we have a cup of chicken broth that we're going to use. And back here we have our nice egg that we're going to use, but we're only going to use the egg white. And we have a cup of frozen peas and carrots. And back here we have our cornstarch slurry mixture that we're going to use to thicken everything up. Okay, let's put some of this aside. Alright, now we're going to make a marinade for our nice shrimp. Now these shrimp have been deveined and peeled and they're pretty large, but we're going to go ahead and make a marinade. And to do that, we're going to use a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of white or black pepper. This is black pepper. Put that right in there. And 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Put that in there. 1 tablespoon of water. Put that in. And a teaspoon of sesame oil. Put that in there. Okay, now we're going to mix that up until we don't see any of the cornstarch anymore. Just keep going. Okay, they look pretty good. Let's put them aside and let them marinate. Alright, now let's take our green onions and we'll cut off the bottoms here. We don't want them, right? Okay. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to save the stem part from the leafy part. But we're going to cut them up the same way, but we're going to keep them separate. Alright, we'll put those stems in a bowl, right? They're a little harder to, cook, so we'll put them in at different times during the cook. Where's he going? Okay. Alright, there's the stem part of our green onions. Put them aside. Now let's finish chopping them up. Now you can cut these up kind of fine if you want to. I'm cutting them like, about 1/8 of an inch thick. Okay, let's put them on a plate. Okay, there's the leafy part of our green onions. They look nice, don't they? Alright, let's put these aside. Okay, now we're going to slice up some pork tenderloin that we used the other day. Now, traditionally, shrimp and lobster sauce uses like a minced pork to add extra flavor. But you could use chicken if you want. But today we're using the pork. So we're going to slice it up and mince it up. So let's slice it kind of thin. Now this pork loin, we took most of the fat off. I don't know if you can see it, but it's off. And that's good. Okay, that's plenty. Now that's about 4 nice slices. About a ½ pound right there. Put this aside. Now you could get out your food processor and mince this up, but I'm going to just use my knife. We'll just stack them up, just like this, and we'll go through them. Kind of cut them up good there. We'll turn them this way. And we'll go through there just like this. Helps to have a sharp knife. Okay, now we're going to mince that up. Now, if you don't like pork, you can use chicken, like I said before. Works just as good. Now, just keep going until you're satisfied with how small the pieces are. Which could take a while, maybe about 5 minutes. Okay, it's looking pretty good. Now, this meal that we're making here is supposed to serve 2 to 4 people, so that's why I'm using so much pork, because you know me, it's going to be a big pan full, right? Sometimes I think it'd be easier if I got out the food processor, but then by the time you clean it, you know, you're already done. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, let's get ready to put that in a bowl. Okay, there's our pork all chopped up nicely. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make a marinade for that. Add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. 2 teaspoons of water, put that in there, and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, put that in. Okay, and let's take our hands and just mix that in. Okay, that looks good. Okay, there's our pork all marinated. Let's put that aside and let it marinate. All right, we don't need our cutting board anymore. Let's take it away. Okay, now let's take our egg, right? And we're gonna get that yolk out of there because we just want the egg white. So let's get that out of there. All right, there's our shrimp all marinated and our pork that we marinated. And back here we have our cornstarch slurry, our egg white, and our green onions, the leafy part and the stems. So we're ready to start cooking. So let's go ahead and make our delicious shrimp and lobster sauce. Alright, and today we're using our nice large cast iron skillet, and we're going to set our burner to medium. Alright, our pan seems hot enough. Now let's go ahead and put some oil in the pan, just a little bit. And now we're going to take our marinated shrimp and we're going to put that right in there, just like this. Now what you're looking for is turn them a little bit pink, right? On each side until they're nicely cooked. Okay guys, they look to be almost done. And boy, do they smell good with that seasoning on there. Okay, let's shut off our burner for a minute. And let's get them out of there because they're done. Wow guys, don't they look nice? Boy, do they smell good. Okay, let's put these aside for a minute and let's get started on our pork, right? Okay, we're gonna add a little more oil to the pan and we're gonna set our burner to medium high. All right, now let's take all our nice marinated pork. Boy, doesn't that look good? And we'll put that right in there. Okay, now we want to cook this really well and get all them flavors going. All right, now we're going to take our cup of chicken broth and put that right in there. Okay, let's mix that around. All right, now we want to bring that back to a simmer like it is now. And we're going to add in all our frozen peas and carrots. And our green onion bottoms, you know, the stems, put them in. Boy, this looks like a lot to eat, and it is. It'll serve like 3 to 4 people, right? That's why we're using our large cast iron skillet here today. Okay, now we're going to put a little rice wine in there and 1 teaspoon of garlic. Put that in. Mix that in. Okay, now we're going to take our cornstarch slurry. Now make sure it's mixed up, right? And we're going to pour that right in there. And we're going to immediately lower our burner temperature to medium low. And we're going to take our egg whites. We're going to beat them up. And we're going to pour them in there. And lightly mix them in. Okay, now we're going to take all our nice shrimp and we're going to put them right in there. Just like that. And we're going to mix them in. Boy, does this smell good, guys. Wow. Look at that shrimp. Beautiful. Okay. Now we're going to take the green leafy part of our green onion and we're going to put that right on there. Just like this. Okay, let's shut off our burner and mix them in. Alright guys, our delicious shrimp and lobster sauce is done. And boy, does it smell good. I can't wait to have a taste of this. So let's go ahead and have a taste. Alright guys, here it is. Look at that delicious shrimp and lobster sauce. Boy, is that good looking or what. And those shrimp smell wonderful. And we went ahead and made some rice so that we can put that delicious shrimp and lobster sauce right on top of there. So let's do that. Let's put some on there. Okay, put this aside for a second. And let's make up a nice plate. Look at those shrimp, guys. They're unbelievable. Okay, let's see if we can rearrange these a little bit. They're everywhere, the shrimp. Okay, that looks beautiful right there, guys. Look at that shrimp. Can you see them? Alright guys, there you have it. Our delicious shrimp and lobster sauce that we made with like 18 shrimp. You know, and all those frozen peas and carrots in there, and all those good seasonings. Boy, does this smell good. And the pork that's in there that we marinated, this is really delicious. You can hardly see the pork in there, but it is there. I'm going to tell you, it adds a lot of flavor to this dish, and your guests are going to love it too. So let me get into a bite, because I can't wait to have a taste of this. So let's have a bite. Let's see what we can do here. Oh yeah, guys. Okay. Let's have a taste of this. See how that shrimp is. Wow, is that tasty. You're really going to enjoy this. Just go ahead and make it this way. It's delicious. That's about all I can say about this. It's really delicious. Alright guys, you know what I'm going to have with this since we're having this for dinner? You probably guessed this one. Because when I'm out at like different Chinese restaurants sometimes, I get a nice cold wobble pop, right? That sounds good. And boy, does this taste better than takeout. You're going to love it. Alright guys, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Delicious shrimp and lobster sauce. That's what's for dinner tonight. Wow, does that sound good. Yep guys, I just got to have another little bite. Or should I say a big bite. Look at that. Oh, I got 2 pieces of shrimp. Don't tell anybody. Alright, let me have a taste. Another taste. You're going to love this. I hear a knock at the door. Our guests are just arriving, so boy, are they in for a treat. Okay guys, catch you on the next one.